Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Ajahn Lee, and I want to share with you my Bitcoin analysis. If you type in Bitcoin on YouTube, you will see 99% describing crash, danger, warning, emergency, watch out, is Bitcoin done? Should you sell all your Bitcoin? Many are saying, I sold all my Bitcoin. Thank you to them. I bought them. Many are saying, I sold my Ethereum. And many are saying, I am completely out of Bitcoin, or I have lost faith, and more danger, crash, new lows ahead, watch out. The bottom is near is what I say. If we draw a simple trend line, this trend line was touched here, here, and on the recent lows. I believe we'll probably bounce off of this, given how the boat is so tilted to the fear side. What I want to share with you is many are calling this head and shoulders top. And that is correct. Many are then calling this a bigger head and shoulders top. And that this is it. And from here, it's going to go back down to 5,000. It's going to crash. Danger. Flash crash. But I want to show you how I see head and shoulders interact and can get canceled out. While you can say this is the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and then the head, and the neckline drawn this way. I'm going to show you what I have observed since 1997. And you're not going to find this in any books. When you have a head and shoulders top, and if the price does this, and I can say, well, here's a neckline also. And then I can say, I think this is a left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder, and an inverted head and shoulders. Note how this head and shoulders top shares this limb, which is the right shoulder for the H&S top, and this is the left shoulder for the inverted head and shoulders. And when that happens, the inverted head and shoulders cancels out the effects of the head and shoulders top. We have seen this time and again. Let me show it to you in small, short time frames. So, you can say, here's a left shoulder, here's a right shoulder, of a head and shoulders top. In fact, many were calling this top, top, top. But I believe this is a left shoulder. This is the right shoulder of an inverted head and shoulders pattern. So we have a head and shoulders top, inverted head and shoulders. This limb is conjugated, they're shared, canceled out. This inverted head and shoulders was canceled out by this head and shoulders top. Left, head, right. This head and shoulders top was canceled out by this inverted head and shoulders, and so on and so on. So at these short time frames, we should be able to then say that at a larger trend perspective, the same canceling out has potential to the bias side, because within this bull market, which isn't done yet, it's too early to finish. It's more likely than crash. 3,000, 0, watch out, danger, OMG, I sold everything I had, don't buy Bitcoin, which are the most common headlines on YouTube when you search for Bitcoin. Bottom line, go against the crowd. When everyone's selling, buy. Have a good day.